Morning YouTube. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm eating today. I'm gonna show you guys me testing for ketones and a bunch of other stuff, so welcome to the vlog. The only thing that bothers me a little bit about keto is that the volume of my food is smaller. Who is this? Who is this? Good morning YouTube, welcome to the vlog. I'm gonna show you guys a full day of eating. We just got a stupid amount of snow. It's supposed to be spring, but according to Mother Nature, not yet. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm eating today. I'm gonna show you guys me testing for ketones and a bunch of other stuff, so welcome to the vlog. Working with Trader Joe's New Mexico Piñon coffee. So what I'm gonna have today, I'm gonna give myself a break from bacon. I'm gonna have this peppered salami. If you put this in the microwave or if you put it on the skillet, it ends up tasting crispy like bacon. I'll show you guys. I'm gonna have this with some eggs, probably some Brussels sprouts. So weigh that out, about to pan fry it in the skillet. Now the salami is already fatty, but I'm gonna add some Casandrinos olive oil. Best olive oil on the planet. You can save 10% off with promo code GAGEGIRL. Alright, so I accidentally broke the egg, but you know what? It's gonna be one of those days. You're gonna make it work. It's still gonna taste just as delicious. So here's meal one. I have salami, an egg, spinach sauteed, and olive oil. Here is lunch. It is an egg, 2 ounces of sauteed Brussels sprouts, 2 ounces of this chimichurri sirloin steak from Trader Joe's. This is what I'm eating. The only thing, this is lunch, the only thing that bothers me a little bit about keto is that the volume of my food is smaller. It may look big because I'm like holding a big old plate here, but like this plate is actually a small plate. Like this is my hand, guys, this is my hand. It's a tiny plate. The food's great, the food's rich, it's savory, it's delicious, but the volume is smaller than what I'm used to. So I have been feeling a little bit hungrier than normal lately. I'm thinking about dialing in my macros. I'll talk to you guys about that soon, but here's lunch. Confession time. I literally just ate a tablespoon of this. I'm gonna track it into my macros. It is so good. It's called Fluff Butter, protein infused almond spread, 15 fat, 7 carb, but 2 fiber. So I'm done with my net carbs for the day. 11 protein. Oh my goodness. I love this stuff. I found it at GNC. Delicious. It is dairy-free, soy-free, gluten-free, vegan. This is not a sponsored post. I just liked it and had a moment of weakness. Real life. Hashtag real life. Alright guys, so I've been hungry today. I don't know what's been going on, but I've been really hungry today, and I've been drinking these cucumber mint sparkling waters to help curb my appetite. I've had 4 of these today. Got these at Target. And I showed you guys that almond butter. I actually had another tablespoon of it. So I hit my macros pretty quickly today. I was actually done my macros by about 2:41, which is not good, so that wasn't cool. So the last thing I'm gonna show you guys today is this keto sticks. These are little reagent strips that allow you to test your urine to determine if you are excreting ketones. So you guys can see there is a scale here to tell you approximately how many ketones you are excreting. So this is a blank, This is a blank one. This means it's negative. There's nothing coming out in your urine. So you can see from this, I'm actually at moderate amounts of ketones from this. I've been drinking a lot of fluid, so I think this is a little bit more on the dilute side because I've been peeing a lot today. I hate to say that, whatever. At the moderate amount, you can see I'm at about 40 milligrams per deciliter per day. So that is what it's looking like. The fact that this is showing up like this lets me know compared to this, if you see where it's nothing, this lets me know that I'm on the right track, that I am in ketosis, that my body is utilizing fat for fuel. I think I'm gonna have to make a macro adjustment though, you guys, because I have been feeling a bit hungrier than normal. My energy is good, but I've just been feeling hungrier. So I'm most likely gonna do a macro adjustment in the next video and show you guys what types of changes I've been making, because the only thing that's been bothering me is today specifically, it happened to me yesterday, I just been feeling full very quickly. So wasn't a whole lot to report today, simply because I used up all of my macros pretty quickly, but that's real life. So right now it's 5:43. So am I going to increase my macros today, or am I gonna just kind of like hold off? I'm gonna drink water, I'm gonna drink tea, things like that. I'm gonna try to hold off. I do feel like I could eat a little bit more, but like I just ran out of macros because I ended up snacking on some almond butter and a little bit of extra cheese. So that is just what happened today. But the beauty of that is with flexible dieting is that you can go ahead and eat those extra things. You just got to tally them in your macros. But the problem with that is you run out of macros quickly, especially on keto, because you're eating a lot of fat and the fat is very dense. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be showing you guys more on different ways to test ketones, but I am happy to see that I am at least on the right track. I'm probably gonna make some adjustments and I will be showing you guys the whiteboard calculations of that in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. See you in the next one.